Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again we are back with another reaction video. For today's reaction we have not taken any album song or album video, but we are going to react on a Parkour boy and his name is Swrang Narzary. Okay, and he is acting for Bodo film industry. So he is a guy very active and energetic, doing all kind of exercises and uploading his videos on YouTube, and he has got his own channel. So we are going to react on that, and it was suggested by Sansuma Basu Matari. Okay, so let's watch how it is. Shall we begin?
Yeah, let's begin.
Okay.
The bridges in my head by lighting up a fire. Bury my old thoughts instead so you can feel the same. I live alone with you inside my mind. We will dance the night away to the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love.
Walking the small.
Huh?
Walking in the small park.
Yeah. Wow. This is super. Hey. Wow.
Nice.
Wow.
So good in the morning light.
Where is jumping?
Missing the fights, I don't care if I'm right. Let's just buy a bit more
Oh.
time. I live alone with you inside my
Okay, not perfect. Practice makes perfect, yeah.
away to the morning light.
Okay.
Can I give you all of my love till we
That's doing
dance the
good.
night
Huh?
away?
That's doing good.
Yeah.
All of my love till we dance the night away, and we give you all my love, all my love, all my love, and we give you all my love, all my love, all my love, and we give you.
Yeah. Ooh. Huh? This is too much.
It's nice.
Ew. Risky, yeah? Hey. Wow, this is super. Hey. Hey, little mistake, you'll get nice one.
Yeah.
Wow, superb, yeah.
Nice.
Oh,
Nice done. It's going to done.
he's gonna jump. Oh my God.
Nice. Nice done.
If it first down there down,
Oh, he does.
by just no, by mistake sometimes. Okay, they are practicing the water. That's okay. Flying in the air. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Okay. In the bush. Jungle. Oh, sand. Okay. By mistake or he himself did like that. Oh, that's painful. Oh. Oh. Eish. Ah. Oh shit, that's too bad. That's bad. She might have got pain so much. Dangerous, eh? Gangan master. Army training. So guys, hope you enjoyed watching the video. I really enjoyed and it was really fantastic, amazing and beautiful. It's really, I can't say anything. It is just say wow. And there are so many moments where dangerous steps they had performed, okay? So those
They got more hurt also.
more hurts also, yeah. It is really dangerous, yes. They are taking risk and practicing and putting their best effort to learn something. So they have confidence. So first you need to know is you should have confidence, okay? Confidence. Then we should have believe in ourselves. Then we need daily practices.
Yeah.
So these things will make us or him or anybody, okay, they will make anybody a perfect boy, okay. So we can see in the video, I think they are practicing every day, that is why he is able to come up to this level. And he might have got a lot of injuries. You could see he jumped from one building to another building. That was really risky.
Yeah.
I got shocked, yeah. That is really
It's amazing, but it is very, very risky.
very, very risky, yes. So practice, but be cautious.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself and do practice and
Be safe.
be safe. That is the best thing we can say. And don't practice at home after seeing these things. Even if you're practicing, then go to those areas where you can be safe yourself. Like they are practicing the water. Okay, water is good enough, good platform where we can perform any amount of things. Then we can practice in sand. Sand also is good. Okay, then we can practice in the grounds, not those hard jumps or hard flips.
In the fields also.
In the field also. Okay, in the soft field like paddy field and all this. Okay, they can do. That's a good enough. And slowly, once you learn something and you are confident enough, then you can practice in the hard ground. So guys, we see he has got a lot of talent and he has developed his skill, and it is really appreciable. And because we all are gifted and we need to develop our talent, that is what we learn from him. And practice makes perfect. Okay, so practice well, learn well, and go out and experience different things. That is the only thing we can say. And okay, fine. From our side, it is really absolutely appreciable and good and fantastic and superb. And okay, no words to comment again. And for today, we shall wind up here itself. And hope guys you enjoyed. And if you like the video, please do subscribe our channel. Please like the bell icon and please share to your friends and whomever you like. So hope to see you all next time. Till then, take care. Bye.